Hello students, today we will continue chapter 7 Advanced Features of MS Excel. In this chapter we have discussed that how we can create a chart and commonly used chart type. Today we will talk about formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can format a chart by adding title, changing text, font, line, color, width, border style, legend, data series, etc. First of all, we will start with changing backgrounds, color and pattern. You can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern and background. For that, first of all, we will click on plot area. Just click right and you will find an option. Click on the last option, format plot area. Just click on that and you will find a dialog box of format plot area, and you can fill the area, you can change the border color, border style and various options you will get here. First of all, we will go to fill and solid fill. Here blue color is already selected, you can choose any one and it is already previewing. Whichever color you like, you can set in the plot area and you will find more option as well. You can choose any color from here also and click on OK. Here now you can see, and you can increase the transparency of the plot area. Okay, here I have done 30. After that, if you want another things, you can also do that. If you want any pattern, you can click on that. Here I am changing the color. See, you can see various pattern. If you want it, you can choose it as well. If you want another one, you can change it. This is granite fill, that previously we have done pattern fill, solid fill, and we can add a picture as well. Okay, these option we get, and you can change the color as well. This is for fill option. If you don't want any color, so you can click on no fill option. Here I am using fill option and choosing a light color. This one. And after that, border color, you can choose any one from these: no line, solid line, gradient line, automatic, solid line. You can choose this, black, and anyone else. Okay, and you can choose border style as well. As I increase the width, it will be easier for you to see the style of the line and color of the border as well. Here I have chosen green color and now red, so it is clearly visible as I have changed the border style. You can change it to dash type as well. You can choose accordingly, and you can increase or decrease the width of the border style. Fine. And next is shadow. you can choose the shadow from here like this. If you want no shadow, you can click on any
Next is formatting
on
the
this, and
legend.
if you want outer shadow,
Legend
you
is
can
a
click on
box that
any one of these,
identifies the
and if you
pattern
want inner
or
shadow,
colors
then you
assigned
can
to the data
just
series
click on
in
these.
a chart.
And
It
perspective
helps in reading the
like
chart
this.
accurately. Legends
If you
most
want
appear on the
edges
right
to
of a
glow and
chart.
soft, then you
You can place them anywhere you want.
just use this one and change color as well. Formatting the legend. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern or colors assigned to the data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear on the right hand side of a chart, but you can place them anywhere of your choice and need. Now we will learn how we can format the legend. You can find the legend on the right of the chart. This is the legend, the selected one, and you need to click on right and select format legend. A dialog box of format legend will appear where you can change the various things. Fill option. Under fill option, you can select any color to fill the legend box. Fine. Border color, like this, and change border style and its width, compound type, dash type, like this. You can change, and you can change shadows as well, inner and outer shadow. Here I have selected inner shadow and glow and soft edges. Here it is similar to what we have done with plot area, like this, and after that you can click on close option. So whatever formatting you have done is visible here. We have done fill option, shadow option, glow and soft edges option, and border style we have changed under this. Next is changing the scale of value axis. This is value axis and this one is value axis title. So we will click on that, and after that we will click right format axis, and we will see format axis toolbar option dialog box. Here you will find various option. You can set the axis option, you can click or change the number and its category. You want number in general, currency, accounting, date, time, anything, and you can change it as well. You can change the color of that box, like this. There where you have written number, that will change, like this. And you can change line color, you can change line style, you can change the glow and edges, like this. And 3D format, you can change the depth, contour, surface, bevel of this axis, like this. You can change the or format the scale of value axis. You can do the same for category axis as well. Here this one is category axis or horizontal axis, and this is horizontal axis title or category axis title. You can change it as well similarly. Now next is formatting data series. You can format a data series by changing the bar colors, line, slice and shifting its position. So these are data series, and you can click on any one and you can change its detail. Here I am clicking on the orange one and right click and format data point. Here you can change the color. All the orange one will be changed. These are blue. You can change like this as well. Okay, and I am just making it little larger so that changes can be visible properly. Now I have selected another one. Again right click, format data series and fill, gradient fill, and you can choose this one or another one, whichever you want you can select for your series. Like that, and you can change the shape of that as well. Whichever you have selected, only that one will change. There are various shapes here. You can change any one of these. Rest of the options are similar to the previous one. You can change it from there. This is how you can change or format data series in MS Excel.